Welcome to Crafting with Poe Designs. In this video, I'm going to show you an amazing thing. I'm going to show you how to go from this image, okay, this graduate, into this with my face on it. And here you see how the image is cut. But I'm also going to show you how to edit it to make it like this until you put it in a graduation fan. I'm going to show you the whole process. So stay tuned. The first thing we're going to do, I'm using ChatGPT and DallE today to create my images. I will leave the prompt in the description below if you need the prompt to make these. But you can also order the images. You can order images from Etsy. You can order also from me. You can order these images and then change the face up. I have them in different colors, okay? And I'm going to show you how to use these images to change the face and put your graduate face in it. Okay, the app we're going to use for all this is called Art Guru AI. You can find it online here, Art Guru. You can sign up. You will have 5 credits daily. You can sign up and you can click on face swap, photo face swap. Okay, in here you need to upload your image, your graduate image, the image that you purchased from online, or the image that you designed, that you created with AI. Okay, right here I'm going to add my image. Let's say I'll add this image. Let's see this one right here, and the image will come here. So it's going to concentrate on the face, okay? And here is where you're going to add your own picture. When I say your own picture, I mean the picture of your graduate or of the customer that you're making it for, okay? I'm going to select this and I'm going to add my own picture. Okay, I'm going to choose this one and it will come in here. And now you see it shows this one should go in this one. And I'm going to generate it. It's generating for me. Let's wait and see. Okay, here is the image. And we can download it. Let's download it. And then we will check it out. In Canva. Let's take it to Canva. Okay, here I am in Canva. I'm going to upload the image into Canva. Here it is. I will upload it in here. Now select it and it will come here. Let's zoom in. Let's see what's going on. If you know our app that can clear it up, you can do that too. Okay, and now I'm going to make it a little bit bigger on the side. You see how I put it right here? I'm using Canva Pro, so I have access to the Magic Studio. Yeah, here. So I'll go to Magic Expand, and then I'll look for the one that can make it wider on the side. Okay, I think I'll choose this one. And I'll expand it a little bit to the side, a little bit. And here it will give you 4 alternatives, and you can use the one that you like the most, the one that's the best for you. Okay. Ooh. Oh wow. Let's see this one. For fun, it added 2 other ladies to it. Let's see this one. This one is good. Let me see this one too. I think this one is better. I'll take this one. I'll click on done. Okay, and I'll bring it in. Okay, now I have this image. Let me see what else I can do with it. Let me go in the face. Let me zoom in into the face. Let me see what I can do here. Magic eraser. Let me zoom in a little bit into the face. Oh, come now. Let me make this a little bit smaller. Let me see if I can. Let's see what we can do, if we can make the color a little bit better, the face. You're just gonna check if it's going to be better or if we should leave it like it was. It's up to you how you want to make it. Mm, mm, mm. I don't really like the teeth. See if we can do something about it. A little bit more. You play with it and see what you get out of it. Okay, but we have the face and everything. Let's see if we can change the colors a little bit too. Let's go down here. Let's see. This is none. Oh, this is beautiful. The fresco is beautiful. There are other colors, like other filters, but I don't know if they will be good. No, this is not good. Ooh, no. Let's go back to the fresco. The fresco, yeah, this one. I love this one. Okay, so now we're going to work on the graduation fan. Okay, let's remove this. I'll show you how to remove it. Go back here, edit photo, and go to grab text. It should grab this word from the image, and then we can remove it. Oh yeah, it did. Boom, you see we removed it. Amazing, amazing. You need to have Canva Pro. With Canva Pro you are able to use the Magic Studio and you will have access to all those amazing tools. Okay, let me put this in here. I'm going to select this all. You can get this from my Etsy shop or from my website. I have a whole bundle of it. Graduation fans. Okay, now I'm going to copy this, copy, and bring it over here and paste it here. And then I'm going to hover with it and then it comes over here. Let's see what else we can do. Oh no, it doesn't come out well. It does not come out well. Let's see. Let's see if we can make it. If you want to do all that, you will have to do it like this. Like this, and let it go. And then you will have her hand. Yeah, you will have her hand here. You see what I did? Let's do it one more time. Just go here and copy this. Copy and bring it here and paste it, okay? And then hover over the small part here. And then you have this. But you don't want it to be like this. You want her hand and everything to be here. Okay, we're gonna double click on here. And then we're gonna drag it until it fits this one. I'll go like this until it fits. Until it fits like they are the same, and then let it go. And then you have her whole hand and whole body. Okay, and then you can come over here and add another color that you want. For instance, a glitter color. Let's say, I don't know what glitter. Glitter background. Glitter background. It has different colors that you would like. So you come here and choose whatever glitter background you want. Let me see, I'm gonna choose this one. I'm gonna hover here and put it in here and here. Okay, and here you have it. And then you can go to your text. Go to your text. Whatever text you want to add down here. Let's go down here. For instance, congrats. Congrats. And then you can add, let's name her, let's say Saskia. Okay. Make her smaller. And let's say I'll get this as a color of the text. Okay. Let's say I'll add another text, another font. I'll make this grade 5s. Yeah, I'll leave it like this, and maybe I'll add an effect to it. An effect. Let's get ground. Congrats. The congrats, I'm going to change the color also. The font, I mean. Let's say we have this one. Congrats. And then we change the font, the color of the font. We have green. Let me see. This one will work. I'm just putting colors, people. You check what fit for you. And then we can change the color here too. I don't know if this one works, but you can add whatever color you want. Okay. Let's say this one would work. Congrats. And then you fill out here the school. I'm just gonna fill out the school name. I'm gonna duplicate this one and take it. Let's say O or U, and I'm going to color it. Let's say dark blue. Double click, dark blue, and then effect green or gold. Okay. Who are you? And then I'll put the year here. I'm gonna duplicate this again to take the font. 2024. 2024. And I'll put the school mascot here. Uploads. Oh, this is colossal. No, don't go in there. Let's go here. Make it small. And then replace. Okay. It's going to give us a headache. I'll show you how to solve this. You see how you can solve it so that it doesn't jump into it. Make it small. Okay. And then you select it, and then you go with your arrow, the arrow of your computer. You move it with your arrow until you have it where you want it. If you move it with the mouse, it will jump and grab it. Okay, so this is how you put this together. So like I showed you, let's go back fast. You purchase one of those images that you like. Okay, you bring it into Art Guru, you go to face swap, you load your image up here. Okay, the image that you want to paste, put the face of the graduate, and you upload it here. When you upload it here, it will appear here. Okay, and then you load your own image here, and then you click on face swap, and then you will wait a few seconds, and then the result will come here, and then you download the result, and then you go into Canva, you upload the result here, and then you work with it, like erase what you need to erase. No, you don't erase yet. You go to edit photo, Magic Studio. You expand it. If it's cut, you expand it. It will help. You need to choose which one of the expand you're using. Yeah, use that. Or if you want to, you can remove the background and put another background for it. It's up to you, but it's a longer way to do it. And if the Art Guru watermark is on it, you can remove it with a grab text. And then you can add filters to it, what color would fit the most. And then you take your grad file, your grad frame, and then you do exactly what I showed you. This you can get the bundle with the grad frame. You can get it from my website. I will leave the link below. So this is how you can make your own grad frame really easily here in Canva. Then you can download it. so that you can cut it. Okay, so this is how you do it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you will do this because this is a really nice and fun project. You can show your customers that you can swap faces, put their graduate face in the image, and make it nicer for them. Some people, they won't make any pictures, but they can still create this for their graduates. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.